We can do something that is absolutely amazing with Screaming Frog. So we can use custom extractions to extract any information from the pages that are within some repeatable pattern within the code, within the HTML or CSS. And now to do this, go to crawl config. And within here, you're gonna go to custom. And we can see we have custom search, custom extraction, and custom link positions. What we're gonna look at is custom extraction. Custom extraction allows us to extract data from internal HTML pages. And this uses XPath, CSS Path, or Regex, or a regular expression, sorry. And if we add this in here, we can see we have various things we can add to this extractor. For a very basic one, I'm gonna name this H1. And for XPath, all that's gonna be is /H1. And by doing this, it will extract all of the H1 tags, which Screaming Frog does by itself, so it doesn't matter as much. But here's something useful we can do with this, is H2s. So we're gonna name that H2 and do the exact same thing, //H2. And now what this will do is it will extract all of the heading 2s, the H2s on the page. And if we add another one, H3, it will extract all of the H3 tags. And we can even add H4 if we'd like, so that it would extract all the H4 tags. Now, why this can be useful is on a content audit, Screaming Frog only, and we're gonna hit start here, Screaming Frog only extracts the H1 tag normally in 2 of the H2s. But this will give us, if we look at here, once it starts loading up, I'm gonna just pause it here. We're gonna scroll down on overview, and we're gonna scroll all the way down pretty much to the bottom and then scroll up to custom extraction here. And you can see these custom extractions, H1, H2, H3, and H4 that we've taken out. And we can look at each individual one, or we can look at all of them. And you can see here that now it's extracted every one of the H2s on these pages. So we can see the H24, we can see all the way up to an H6, so H26. Custom extraction is extremely powerful. We can do all kinds of fun stuff with this. You know, depending on what you want to extract from the page, you can use either XPath, CSS Path, or regular expressions. And you can get almost anything out of this. And you may be asking or saying, I don't know XPath, I don't know custom, all of this stuff. I don't know regular expressions. These XPaths can get simple for just basic tags, but what's really beautiful too is that ChatGPT can help you with this. It can write regular expressions. It can do all of this for you.